Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to track medications and supplements on your iPhone. Let's start by opening Health application on your device, and let's go to Browse tab at the bottom side of the screen. And now in those categories, you want to select Medication section. Let's press Add Medication button, and now I want to enter medication name. So let me enter something like this, then I will press Next button. Now I need to choose medication type, so here you can see different types. Let's go with this one, and now this is optional, but you can enter medication strength, so do it right here, and then you can choose the unit, but I will simply skip it. And you can set a schedule for your supplements. So first of all, you need to enter when will you take this medication. Here you can see different options such as every day, on a cyclical schedule, on specific days of the week, every few days, and as needed. So if I select every few days, I can set as well the number of days. I can go on specific days of the week, and here I will select specific days, so stuff like that. Sorry, I closed everything, so let me quickly come back to it. And as well, I need to enter at what time I need to take my medications. So this is the clock and the quantity. Additionally, if I need to take my supplements a few times a day, I need to enter the second time, and as well I can set my duration, so the start date and end date. Let's press Next button. Additionally, you can select the icon for your supplements, but I will skip this, and you can review your details, and let's save it by pressing Done at the bottom side of the screen. So now, next time when you open Health application on your device, let's go again to Browse tab, let's select Medications, and here you can see, you can track your medication progress like this with this visual representation of the calendar. Yes, so basically you can find the medication that you need to take and tap here under the log section, and you can set skipped or taken depending on if you have skipped this medication or you have taken it. Let's press taken, for example. Let's press Done, and at the top on this calendar you will see that you've taken the medication. Additionally, you can enable notifications for supplements in your settings. Let's go here, and here please enable those reminders and follow-up reminders. Yes, you can enable them for this specific supplement. And please, when you see this on your screen, that Health application would like to send you critical alerts, please enable it. And you will get, when you enable it, you will get lock screen notifications even when your phone is muted. So that is basically it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.